Welcome to the best picks. The best Tacoma Emblem Overlays is probably one of the most popular ways to give your truck a more aggressive and modern look, and in this video, we will explore what makes them so great, from their ease of installation to the dramatic visual transformation they offer, and most importantly, help you decide if they are the right choice for your Tacoma. Number 5. Toyota Tacoma Emblem Overlay. Upgrade your Toyota Tacoma's look with this sleek, matte black emblem overlay set. It's designed for a precise fit and easy installation, transforming your truck in minutes. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it's built to withstand the elements and maintain its stylish appearance for years to come. Enjoy a custom look without compromising on durability. These overlays are precisely engineered to fit seamlessly over your existing chrome badges. The perfect fit ensures a clean, professional finish. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing and apply it to your clean badges. No special tools or expertise are required. With this easy-to-install kit, you can give your Toyota Tacoma a dramatic makeover in just minutes. Enjoy a personalized look that reflects your style. Transform your truck's appearance with this simple yet impactful upgrade. It's the perfect way to add a touch of personality and style. What we like. It's made from robust ABS plastic, ensuring a perfect fit for your Tacoma's existing badges. Installation is a breeze, simply peel and stick. If you value a precise, factory-like finish and effortless installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It looks awesome. It's so freaking easy to install. Number 4. Toyota Tacoma Blackout Emblems. Upgrade your Tacoma's look with these sleek, black emblems. They're custom molded for a perfect fit and easy installation. These emblems are made from tough, durable ABS plastic, built to withstand the elements. They're designed to last. It's engineered to precisely fit over your existing badges, ensuring a seamless and professional look. No gaps or misalignments. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing and apply them to your clean badges. You'll have a customized look in minutes. These emblems are rigorously tested to resist fading from harsh UV exposure. Enjoy their sleek black finish for years to come. Transform your Tacoma's chrome accents into a modern, stealthy look. They're the perfect finishing touch. What we like. This option is crafted from durable, UV-resistant ABS plastic, meaning it will withstand the elements and maintain its sleek look for years to come. The simple installation process makes it a great option for any skill level. If you're looking for long-lasting quality and worry-free installation, this is it. What people say. These went on perfectly and look great. I saw some people saying in reviews that these didn't sit flush against the body for them, but they did on mine. Note that the Tacoma badges for the side doors have tags on them telling you to install them on specific sides. I'm guessing they are slightly different sizes or something, so make sure you install them on the sides that they tell you to, or you may end up with bad results. Fit perfect and super easy to install. Little pricey for what they are, but better than having to mess around with Plastidip. I cleaned emblems real good with rubbing alcohol before I installed these to make sure they stuck down properly. Super easy to install and completely foolproof. The difference can be subtle, but the contrast is so much better than gaudy chrome. Be sure to wipe the existing badges with an alcohol wipe or lens cleaner cloth so you're not trying to adhere to oils, dust and exhaust residue. These were clearly factory product as specified. The box directs you to Toyota's internal service system for instructions which really aren't needed. Number 3. Tacoma Emblem Overlay Kit. Upgrade your Tacoma's look with this easy-to-install emblem overlay kit. It's made from durable ABS plastic and includes everything you need for a perfect fit. This kit gives your truck a custom, blacked-out look. The overlays perfectly match your existing emblems for a seamless appearance. Installation is a breeze. It uses double-sided tape and requires no drilling, making it a simple DIY project. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it's built to withstand the elements. It's completely waterproof for long-lasting use. Everything you need is included: 2 overlays, one for the 4x4 and one for the V6 emblem, plus easy-to-follow instructions. It's ready to transform your truck. Designed specifically for 2016 to 2020 Tacoma SR V6 4x4 models, it ensures a precise and secure fit. Enjoy a stylish upgrade that's built to last. What we like. It's constructed from durable ABS plastic and offers a straightforward installation process. It's also a budget-friendly option without compromising quality. If you're on a budget but still want a stylish upgrade, this is a great value choice. What people say. Fit like a glove. They stick over my chrome letters easily and have stayed on well. Look great. Been through many car washes and no signs of coming off. Fits nicely over the factory badges. Survived a few pressure washings so far. Number 2. Toyota Tacoma Emblem Kit. Upgrade your Tacoma's look with this stylish emblem kit. It's easy to install and gives your truck a sleek, modern appearance. This kit contains overlays for various Tacoma emblems, including the tailgate. You'll receive everything you need for a complete transformation. This kit provides a new look for your tailgate emblem. It's a simple way to personalize your truck. The kit also includes overlays for the SR5 and limited emblems, ensuring a consistent look across your vehicle. Complete the transformation with overlays for your V6 and 4x4 emblems. These are designed to perfectly match the rest of the kit. Please remember that this kit does not include an overlay for the front emblem due to the placement of Toyota Safety Sense features. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes multiple pieces to fully customize your 2018 Tacoma. It's designed for a seamless fit and complete blackout look. If you want a complete, model-specific blackout kit for your 2018 Tacoma, this is the one for you. What people say. They still show no signs of peeling or wear. Felt great to cover up all the chrome emblems around the truck. It looks so much better and takes 5 minutes to put everything on. The black Tacoma lettering on the tailgate really stands out. Exactly what I was looking for. They look great and took seconds to install. Number 1. 4Runner Tundra Tacoma Emblem Overlay. Upgrade your Toyota's look with this sleek, blacked-out emblem overlay. It's the perfect way to add a touch of mystery and sophistication to your vehicle. This overlay is designed for a seamless installation. It's simple to apply and will perfectly fit your existing emblems. It's custom-made to fit perfectly on your 2014 to 2019 4Runner, 2014 to 2019 Tundra, or 2012 to 2018 Tacoma. Ensuring a clean and professional look. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the elements and last for years to come. Enjoy a long-lasting upgrade. Give your Toyota a distinctive, modern look with this simple yet impactful upgrade. It's a subtle change that makes a big difference. The package includes 2 limited emblem overlays. Everything you need for a complete upgrade is right here. What we like. This limited edition kit offers genuine parts and is specifically designed for select Tacoma models. It provides a unique, stylish upgrade. If you own a compatible Tacoma and want a rare, high-quality upgrade, this is a must-have. What people say. Look great and match factory perfectly. Fit perfect, good quality. Perfect size for OEM emblem cover. They look great, much better than Plastidip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.